Is it the screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you solved it the example? सॉल्व केलं का एक्झाम्पल हे? नाही. ओके, मी माझं काम करत जाईल, तुम्ही तुमचं काम करा. वेट वेट, काय म्हणताय? ऐकू. हा, हॅलो, तुमचा आवाज मला स्पष्ट येत नाहीये. ओके, तुमचा आवाज स्पष्ट येत नाहीये मला. बोला. हॅलो हॅलो, तुमचा काही डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही नंतर विचारा. ओके, तुमचा आवाज मला येत नाहीये स्पष्ट. नाउ वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. ओके, example number
Sir,
5.
can you show the fourth example?
हो,
Sir, fourth example चे in short solution सांगा.
in
Third चा
short
आलं sir.
solution, yeah.
Fourth नाही.
Okay, u of xyz is equal to y square minus 2yz minus z square is equal to c1, and v of xyz is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c2. ओके, आलाय का? फर्स्ट रेशो घ्या, dy आणि dz हे दोन रेशो घ्या. dy अपॉन x into bracket y plus z and is equal to dz upon x into y minus z. Take these two first ratio. Okay, first two ratios. And second करताना v of x y z करताना x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz घ्या. Okay,
Okay, sir.
x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz. मग तुमचा डिनॉमिनेटर 0 येईल. ओके, डिनॉमिनेटर एकदा काही 0 झाला की मग न्यूमरेटर 0 अजून करून इंटिग्रेट करा. ओके, x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0 येईल. Now we move towards the next example, number 5. yz into p, okay, small p, plus xz into small q is equal to x plus y. Answer, solution. The auxiliary equation of given PDE is dx upon capital P is yz, which is equal to dy upon xz, which is equal to dz upon x plus y. Okay, now step number 1. Now consider the first two ratios. Consider the first two ratios. Okay, so hence we get this is dx upon yz is equal to dy upon xz, which implies we get z get cancelled. So here we get dx into dx minus y into dy is equal to 0. Okay, then integrating we get x square upon 2 minus y square upon 2, which is equal to c1, which implies x square minus y square is equal to c1 dash. Okay, or instead of this we can write y square minus x square is equal to c1 dash. Okay, जर तुम्ही हे x dx तर या साइडला घेतलं तर हे सोल्युशन येईल. Okay, this or this one. Now this is the u of x y z. U of x y z is equal to x square minus y square is equal to c1 dash. And now step 2. Step number 2. Consider the multipliers. Consider the multipliers. Okay, 1, 1 and minus z. Respectively, we get each ratio is equal to dx plus dy minus z into dz. Okay, at the denominator we get yz plus xz minus zx minus zy. Okay, which implies dx is equal to dx plus dy minus z dz is equal to what? 0. Okay, so this it cancels. It implies that each ratio is equal to 0. Okay, each ratio is equal to dx plus dy minus z dz is equal to 0. It implies dx plus dy minus z into dz is equal to 0. Okay, which implies integrating we get x plus y minus z square upon 2 is equal to c2 dash. Okay, so this is the v of x, y, z is equal to x, x, y, z is equal to x plus y minus z square upon 2 is equal to c2 dash. Okay, hence the required general solution. The required general solution of Q and PDE is f of is the function of u and v. That's nothing but x square minus y square comma 2 into bracket x plus y minus y square. Okay, rearrange these terms which is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt? By choosing multipliers हे आपण बीएससी थर्ड इयरला शिकलेलं आहे वाटतं, है ना? Partial differential equation. How
Yes.
to solve these equations? Okay, now set example number 6. Y plus 1 into p plus x plus 1 into q is equal to z. Okay, solution. The auxiliary equation of given partial differential equation is dx upon y plus 1 is equal to dy upon x plus 1 which is equal to dz upon z. Okay, now consider the first two ratios. Step number 1. Consider the first two ratios. What we get? Dx upon y plus 1 is equal to dy upon x plus 1, which implies x plus 1 into dx is equal to y plus 1 into dy, which implies x dx plus 1 dx is equal to y dy plus 1 dy. Now integrating this equation, we get x square upon 2 plus x minus y square upon 2 minus y is equal to c1 dash c1. Okay, so hence u of x y z is equal to x square minus y square plus 2x plus minus 2y, okay, is equal to c1. Step number 2. How to solve the second solution? काय केल्यानंतर मिळेल? ऑब्झर्व करा 3 रेशो आणि काय प्रोसिजर करावं लागेल, काय कॅल्क्युलेशन करावं लागेल? टेल विचार करते ना?
Sir, dx minus dy plus dz.
dx मायनस dy प्लस dz काय होईल केल्यानंतर हा इथे काय येईल प्लस वन हा वन कॅन्सल होईल y मायनस एक्स प्लस झेड
सर नाही तसं नाही.
ओके आले जवळ
Sir,
आले तुम्ही
using multipliers 1, -1 and 1.
वन मायनस वन अँड वन तेच सांगितले की मग dx मायनस dy होईल प्लस dz होईल ओके खाली काय येईल y मायनस एक्स प्लस झेड ओके हे करा तुम्ही जवळ आलाय पण सांगत नाही dx मायनस dy काय येईल y plus 1 minus x minus 1 okay which is equal to dz upon z this take take two ratios okay these two ratios so here we get minus 1 get cancelled so here we get dx minus dy is equal to minus sign x minus y which is equal to dz upon z now integrating we get it implies this is minus sign into minus log of x minus y which is equal to log z plus log c okay or c2 take any constant hence it implies how to solve this one minus log x minus y minus log z is equal to log c how to solve this take minus sign common log x minus y plus log z is equal to okay this first let it constant here minus log c okay which is equal to which implies log x minus y into z is equal to minus log c which implies x minus y okay into z which is equal to take this c2 okay any doubt it implies v of x y z is equal to x minus y into z which is equal to c2 hence the general solution of the given PDE is therefore the required general solution of given partial differential equation is okay f of uv is equal to f of what is the u x square minus y square plus 2x minus 2y and what is v x minus y into z which is equal to 0 okay any doubt now solve this for the homework example 6 no seventh example x cube plus 3xy square x cube plus 3xy square into small p plus y square plus 3x square y into small q which is equal to 2 into x square plus y square into z okay it 2x into y plus z square into p small p okay plus y into 2y plus z square into small q which is equal to z cube number 9 xp plus yq is equal to z number 10 yzp plus xzq is equal to xy number 11 x x square p plus y square q is equal to x plus y into z. जेवढे तुम्ही सॉल्व करताल तेव्हा तुम्हाला तेवढे आयडिया येईल तुम्हाला. ओके, कोणकोणते मल्टिप्लायर्स घ्यायचे, कोणते रेशोज घ्यायचे. वाय स्क्वेअर इंटू पी मायनस एक्स वाय क्यू इज इक्वल टू एक्स इंटू ब्रॅकेट झेड मायनस 2y. Okay, these are the 12 examples. Okay, now the next point of our syllabus is Pfaffian differential equation. Pfaffian differential equation. What is the Pfaffian differential equation? Pfaffian differential equation. Okay, the differential equation of the form. The differential equation of the form. Okay, f1 is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn plus into dx1. Okay, plus f2 is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn. Okay, into dx2 plus up to so on plus fn is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn into dxn, which is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, where fi's are continuous function, are the continuous function, continuous functions. Okay, the differential equation of the form f1 x1 x f1 of x1 x2 up to xn dx1 plus f2 of x1 x2 up to so on xn into dx2 up to so on plus fn of x1 x2 up to so on xn into dxn is equal to 0, where phi of x phi's are the continuous function. It's called the Pfaffian differential equation. Pfaffian differential equation. Okay, so Pfaffian differential equation of the form equation number 1, and the expression in the left hand side of equation 1, the expression in the left hand side of equation 1 is called as Pfaffian differential form. या फॉर्मला काय म्हणायचंय? Pfaffian Pfaffian differential equation. Okay, a Pfaffian differential equation is said to be exact. Okay, when we say that the Pfaffian differential equation becomes the exact differential equation. Okay, look at here, a Pfaffian differential equation Pfaffian differential equation it's said to be exact if we can find the continuously differentiable form u is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn such that the total derivative of u, okay, is f1 of x1, x2 up to so on xn into dx1 plus f2 is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn into dx2 plus up to so on fn is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn into dxn. Okay, then we say that the given Pfn differential equation becomes an exact differential equation. What is the meaning of exact differential equation? म्हणजे तो डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचा एखादा फंक्शन सोल्युशन येतो जो जर त्याचं सोल्युशन असेल इट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ सम फंक्शन एक्झॅक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असायला पाहिजे. आपण एखाद्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनला एक्झॅक्ट कधी म्हणतो जेव्हा तो एखाद्या फंक्शनचा एक्झॅक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असतो. ओके, ही डेफिनेशन तीच सांगते आपल्याला. Pfn and differential equation is said to be exact if we can find the continuously differentiable for u. म्हणजे हा तुमचा असा एक फंक्शन एक्झिस्ट होतो u such that त्याचा एक्झॅक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असायला पाहिजे तुमचा Pfn differential equation. ओके, कळतंय का? ओके, एक्झॅक्ट एखाद्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनला आपण एक्झॅक्ट कधी म्हणतो तो कोणाचा तरी एक्झॅक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऍक्च्युअल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असायला पाहिजे त्या फंक्शनचा. ओके, then we say that the differential equation is exact differential equation. Okay, now the next definition is integrable differential equation of Pfn differential equation. Okay, integrable differential equation of Pfn differential equation. Okay, दिलेला डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन Pfn डिफरन्शिएबल इक्वेशन हा इंटिग्रेबल कधी असेल? Look at here, a Pfn differential equation is said to be integrable. A Pfn sorry a Pfn differential equation is said to be integrable if there exists a non-zero differentiable function mu, which is the function of x1, x2 up to so on xn such that the Pfn differentiable form mu into that f1 of dx1 plus f2 of dx2 plus up to so on fn of dxn is exact. याचा अर्थ काय? A Pfn differential equation is said to be integrable if there exists a non-zero differentiable function. असा एक फंक्शन तुमचा एक्झिस्ट व्हायला पाहिजे such that function into the differential form is exact. What is the meaning of exact? So this is the हा जो तुमचा काही फंक्शन येईल हा डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन येईल हा कोणाचा तरी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पाहिजे तुमचा. ओके, हा तुमचा जो एक्झॅक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पाहिजे, ऍक्च्युअल तुमचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पाहिजे. ओके, कोणत्या तरी एखाद्या फंक्शनचा हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा एक्झिस्ट व्हायला पाहिजे and then we say that mu is nothing but integrating factor of that differential equation. Okay, so the Pfn differential equation is said to be integrable if there exists a non-zero differentiable function mu such that the Pfn differential form is exact. What is the meaning of exact? This differential equation must be the derivative of some function. Okay, and the function, the function, the function mu of x1, x2 up to so on xn is called integrating factor. Integrating factor, and the function का as a solution u. Suppose this is u of x1, x2 up to so on xn is equal to c. Okay, where c is an arbitrary constant. Then arbitrary constant. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt in the definition of integrable differential equation of Pfn differentiable form? ओके हे तुम्ही सॉल्व केलं एक्झाम्पल, सगळे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केले. जर इंटिग्रेशन निघत नसेल तर तुम्ही इंटिग्रेट फॅक्टर करून त्याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं, मग ते एखाद्या फंक्शनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह होतं. ओके, त्याचं सोल्युशन काढलेलं आहात तुम्ही, फक्त तुम्ही इन जनरलाइज आपण लिहितोय त्याचे डेफिनेशन म्हणून तुम्हाला लक्षात नसेल कदाचित. ओके, so that mu is called as integrating factor, and this mu into that differentiable form is exact. What is the meaning of exact? So this is the derivative of exact derivative of some function, and that function is u of x1, x2 up to so on xn is equal to c. Okay, then we say that the differentiable integrable, the differentiable Pfn differentiable equation is integrable differential equation. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, now the next theorem is theorem. Show that there always exist an integrating factor or integrable, okay, integrable factor for Pfn differential equation in two variable. Sorry. Okay, two variables. If the Pfn differentiable equation in two variables, then we have to show that there always exists an integrable factor for the Pfn differential equation. Okay, now look at the proof of this theorem. Consider the Pfn differential equation in two variables. As follows. Okay, look at here. P is the function of xy into dx plus q is the function of xy into dy, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the function. F is the function. F is nothing but here what? Capital P is the function of two variable x and y. Similarly, f2 is nothing but q here. Q is the function of x and y. Okay, so let q of xy is not equal to 0, then we get dy by dx is equal to what we get? Minus p of xy. P is the function of xy into q is the function of xy. Okay, so this is the ordinary differential equation now. Okay, but we know that the existent theorem for the ordinary differential equation in the semester 1. Okay, from the existent existence theorem of ordinary differential equation. Okay, from the existence of theorem for the of ordinary differential equation, it implies the above equation. Okay, sorry, from the existent theorem for the ordinary differential equation of the first order, of the first order differential equation, it implies the equation has above equation has a solution. Say f is the function of xy is equal to c. Okay, from the existent theorem of the ordinary differential equation of the first order in the first order differential equation, this differential equation, okay, we get the one solution which is in the form of f of xy is equal to c. Okay, now differentiate this. Let differentiate with respect to differentiate, total differentiate. Okay, differentiate, we get what to get. F is the function of x, that is dou f by dou x. Okay, dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f is the function of y, f is the function of y into dy, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this f and dl will form d first. Okay, so this is the function of xy, this is the function of the again xy. Now look at here, this f and differential will equation, this Pfaffian differentiable equation for differ from p dx into q dy is equal to 0 by a factor. Okay, हा काय तुमचा f of xy हा काय कोणाचं सोल्युशन आहे, p dx plus q dy is equal to 0 ह्याचा सोल्युशन. पण याचंच डिफरन्शिएबल काय आला इथे, dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f by dou y into dy is equal to 0. ओके, मग यांच्यात काय डिफरन्स असेल, this Pfaffian differentiable equation forms differ from p dx plus q dy is equal to 0 by factor as they have same solution, as they have same solution, same solution, and this factor is nothing but what, integrating factor, and this factor is nothing but the integrating factor. Okay, this is the solution, this is the differentiable equation of what, this one, f of xy is equal to c, but this is the solution of this equation, p dx plus q dy is equal to 0. Okay, so this Pfaffian differential equation, this one, dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f by dou y into dy, this Pfaffian differentiable equation forms the differ from p dx plus q dy is equal to 0 by the factor, and that factor is nothing but integrating factor. Hence, we show that there exists an always an integrating factor for the Pfaffian differentiable equation in two variables. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
We move towards the next theorem. Okay, before going to the next theorem, we must have to know what is the curl of a point in the vector field. Okay, if suppose x bar is equal to x is the any vector, so that p q r, then what is the curl of x bar? In vector calculus we seen that. What is the curl of x bar? How to calculate the curl gradient काढले का नाही बीएससी मध्ये असताना? आहे ना सिलेबसला? What is the curl of x bar? Is nothing but determinant of I, j, k. काढलंय ना हे? Dou by dou x, dou by dou I, dou by dou z.
Yes, sir.
This one is p, q, r. This is the curl of x bar. Okay, what is the physical significance of x curl? Curl म्हणजे काय असतो? ओके, एक लिंक टाकेन मी लेक्चर झाल्यानंतर, ते पहा नीट व्यवस्थित. एक व्हिडिओ आहे. ओके, व्हॉट इज द कर्ल, व्हॉट इज द ग्रेडियंट. ओके, व्हॉट इज कर्ल ऑफ ग्रॅड ऑफ वेक्टर इज 0. ओके, हे सगळे बेसिक गोष्टी तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. व्हॉट इज द कर्ल, व्हॉट इज द ग्रेडियंट. ओके, त्यानंतर लेक्चर नंतर हे सांगत बसायला गेले की पुन्हा वेळ कमी पडेल आपल्याला इथे. ओके, त्यानंतर एक लिंक टाकेन, त्या लिंकवर व्हिडिओ बघा म्हणजे कळेल. व्हॉट इज द कर्ल, व्हॉट इज द फिजिकल सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ कर्ल वगैरे. वेट. Okay, now the next theorem is lemma is there. Lemma. If x bar, okay, if x bar is a vector, x bar is a vector such that x bar is equal to capital P, capital Q and capital R. Okay, that is x bar is nothing but what? P I bar I cap plus capital Q into J cap plus capital R into K cap. Okay, so this is the x bar vector where I, J, K are unit vectors. Unit vectors along respective coordinates. Okay, respective coordinates, coordinate axis, and x bar into curl of x bar is equal to 0, and mu is an arbitrary differentiable function this is the thing we have to given. Okay, this is the given things. X bar into curl of x bar is equal to 0, where mu is the arbitrary differentiable function of x, y, z. Okay, then prove that mu x bar into curl of mu x bar is equal to 0. Okay, we have to prove that using this thing. Mu x bar into curl of mu x bar is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the statement of our lemma. And look at the proof. नीट लक्ष द्या, जरा कॅल्क्युलेशन खूप मोठं आहे. Okay, let x bar is equal to what is the given thing? P Q R. If mu is differentiable function, then mu into x bar is given by mu P, mu Q, and this is mu R. Okay, which implies curl of mu x bar. What is curl of mu x bar? Is determinant of I, J, and K, and this is dou by dou x. dou by dou y, and this is dou by dou z. Okay, instead of p square we can write here mu p. Okay, कर्ल कोणाचा काढायचा आपल्याला, mu x बारचा. Okay, hence we write mu p, mu q, and this is mu r. Okay, also it is given that x bar into curl of x bar is equal to 0. Okay, that it implies what is the x bar? P, Q, and R. What is the curl of x bar? I, J bar, I, J, and this is K. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Okay, and this one is the P, Q, R. So this is the curl of x bar, which is equal to 0. Okay, what it implies? It implies P, Q, R. Now solve this one. काय येणार सॉल्व केल्यानंतर? I into dou R by dou Y minus dou Q by dou Z. Okay, minus J bar. Dou R by dou X. Okay, but taking by multiplying the minus sign in the bracket, we get we plus, and instead of writing this one, I write this dou P by dou Z minus dou R by dou X. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
फक्त मी मायनस साइन आत मल्टिप्लाय केला आणि डायरेक्ट लिहिले प्लस k इंटू dou q by dou p, sorry, dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y. Okay, is it any doubt in this? Is equal to 0. Okay, dou r by dou y, dou q by dou z, dou p by dou z, dou r by dou x. Okay, dou q by dou x and dou p by dou y. Okay, now solve this one. म्हणजेच काय येईल हे? Which implies that P, Q, R into dot product of, okay, याचा I coordinate काय ना, x coordinate dou by dou y, sorry, minus dou q by dou z. हेच आपण असं लिहू शकतो. ओके, कॉमा dou p by dou z minus dou r by dou x. Okay, and comma dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y. Dot product of these two one is 0. Okay, which implies p into this one, p into this plus q into this coordinate and r into this one is equal to 0. Yes, it implies p into dou r by dou y minus dou q by dou z. Okay, plus q into dou p by dou z minus dou r by dou x. Okay, plus r into dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y, which is equal to 0. Okay, so give it as an equation number 2 and this one to the equation number 1 and the equation number 1 mark. Okay, now consider we have to prove that mu x bar, आता आपण ह्याची व्हॅल्यू काढून घेतली x bar into curl x bar. ओके, ह्याच्यावरनं हे इक्वेशन नंबर 2 ऑब्टेन केलं. Now we have to prove that mu x bar into curl of mu x bar is equal to 0. Okay, now consider mu x bar into dot product into curl of mu x bar, which is equal to what is mu x? Mu p, mu q, and mu r. Okay, into what is the curl of mu x? This one. curl of mu x, this one. Okay, curl of mu x bar. काय ना हे सॉल्व केल्यानंतर कर्ल ऑफ म्यू एक्स बार ith कोऑर्डिनेट काय येईल डो म्यू आर अपॉन डो वाय मायनस डो म्यू झेड डो म्यू क्यू अपॉन डो झेड. ओके, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 into whole bracket dou upon dou y of mu r minus dou upon dou z into mu q. Okay, so this is first coordinate of curl of mu x bar, the comma. Second coordinate dou by dou z. Look at here. हे डिटर्मिनंट वरून काढायची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू बरं का. इन्स्टेड ऑफ डो म्यू आर अपॉन डो एक्स फर्स्ट काय केलं आपण मायनस जे येणार ना, मायनस जे ऍब्सॉर्ब करून काय केलंय डो म्यू पी अपॉन डो झेड आधी लिहिलंय आणि डो म्यू आर अपॉन डो एक्स नंतर लिहिलंय इथे. ओके, so here we write dou of dou z by mu p minus dou by dou x of mu r. Okay, so this is second coordinate, and third one is dou by dou x of mu q minus dou by dou y by mu p. Okay, any doubt up to here? काही डाऊट आहेत काही पण?
हो सर.
Okay, now do the dot product mu p into this one, mu q into this one, and mu r into this one, plus addition, taking addition, mu p into this one, this coordinate. Now use the u variable here. Okay, first as it is dou r by dou y. Okay, plus r into dou mu by dou y. Okay, this is the first for this one, minus mu as it is dou q by dou z, plus now q as it is dou mu by dou z. Okay, so this is the plus. Now mu, now second term mu q into u will apply kara mu into dou p by dou z. Okay, plus now p as it is dou mu by dou z. Okay, minus now mu as it is dou r by dou x, plus r that is r as it is now, then dou mu by dou x. This is the second term. Now plus mu q, mu r into, okay, mu as it is dou q by dou z, plus q as it is dou mu by dou z. Okay, minus mu as it is dou p by dou y, plus p as it is dou mu by dou y. Okay, is it any doubt? काही डाऊट आहेत का?
नो सर.
ओके, आता यातनं सॉल्विंग, यातनं यू कॉमन काढायचं, या कोएफिशियंट वरनं यू म्यू आणि ह्याच्यातून म्यू कॉमन काढायचा. सिमिलरली इथून म्यू आणि इथून म्यू कॉमन काढायचा, इथून म्यू आणि इथून म्यू कॉमन काढायचं. ओके, नीट लक्ष द्या. वेट अ मिनिट.
हॅलो सर.
हा,
सर तिथं थर्ड टर्म मध्ये म्यू आर जिथं आहे तिथं म्यू इंटू डो क्यूब अपॉन डो एक्स पाहिजे ना.
इकडे का? इथे ना, हा हा इथे हेच की हा टर्म ना,
हा डो एक्स.
एक्स आणि एक्स सॉरी. ओके, आता काय डाऊट?
नो सर.
विच इज इक्वल टू, सॉल्व करताना नीट सॉल्व करा बरं का, चुकायला देऊ नका. म्यू पी इंटू ह्याच्यातून आणि ह्याच्यातून म्यू कॉमन काढा, काय येईल? म्यू इंटू डो आर बाय डो वाय मायनस डो क्यू बाय डो झेड. ओके, इन दिस फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट प्लस आर इंटू डो म्यू बाय डो वाय प्लस सॉरी मायनस क्यू इंटू डो म्यू बाय डो झेड. ओके, एनी डाऊट? सॉरी, काही डाऊट आहेत का याच्यात? ओके, याला ब्रॅकेट घातलं तरी काय हरकत नाही. या फर्स्ट टर्म मधनं काय कॉमन काढलंय? म्यू कॉमन काढलाय इकडे. ओके, नाउ प्लस इन द सेकंड टर्म, कॅल्क्युलेशन करताना व्यवस्थित करा. म्यू क्यू into bracket mu in the bracket dou p by dou z प्लस आणि ह्याच्यातनं काय येणार कॉमन? म्यू कॉमन आलं की काय राहील? डो पी बाय डो वाय. ओके, सॉरी डो एक्स. खाली वेट अ मिनिट. एकच मिनिट, प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, ह्याच्यातून म्यू कॉमन काढलं काय राहिली? ते डो पी बाय म्यू कॉमन काढले सेकंड टर्म मधून, डो पी बाय डो झेड. ओके, मायनस डो आर बाय डो एक्स. ओके, this term as it is, q into dou mu by dou z plus sorry minus आहे ना. काय येईल इथे? r into dou mu by dou x. चेक करा बरं का, प्लस करेक्ट आहे का? ओके, करेक्ट. प्लस mu r into okay this bracket mu into dou q by bracket dou x minus dou p by dou y. ह्याच्यातनं म्यू कॉमन गेला या त्याच्यात इथे. ओके, so this is in the first bracket plus the second bracket q into dou mu by dou z sorry dou x. x आहे ना तुमचा, x minus p into what is this one? dou mu by dou y. ओके, काही डाऊट आहेत का?
सर
करेक्ट आहे
ते
ना कॅल्क्युलेशन?
सेकंड टर्म म्यू ऑफ क्यू, ते त्याचं सेकंड टर्म आहे ते पी ऑफ डो यू अपॉन डो झेड येते.
डो यू अपॉन डो झेड इथे काय?
सर तिथं त्याच्या बाजूला.
अच्छा,
तर
डो म्यू
पी
अपॉन
ऑफ
डो झेड.
पी ऑफ
सर क्यूच्या जागी पी
डोम्यू.
पाहिजे. तर क्यूच्या
सेकंड टर्म
जागी
ना.
पी पाहिजे.
ओके, हा फर्स्ट मला कॅल्क्युलेशन मला अजिबात आवडत नाही कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं. रिअल असेल तर काय वाटत
सर
नाही.
आम्ही कसं करावं सर, तुम्हाला आवडत नाही?
कधी शिकवलेलंच नाही ना आता. पण प्युअर सब्जेक्ट असेल तर काय वाटत नाही, कन्सेप्ट लेवल असेल तर काय वाटत नाही, पण ही कॅल्क्युलेशन म्हणलं की खूप प्रॅक्टिस लागते. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्म, टेक म्यू कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस. ओके, सो हियर वी गेट म्यू स्क्वेअर. ओके, into p into take p in the inside the bracket. In the bracket we will get dou r by dou y minus dou q by dou z. Okay, plus from this one q square is common and replace q. काय राहिलाय? dou p by dou z minus dou r by dou x. Okay, plus r into or into this bracket, dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y. Okay, and this one is plus mu taken, wait a minute, mu mu into काय येईल सेकंड ब्रॅकेट, त्याच्यात म्यू तुमचा बाहेर गेला आणि यातला एक म्यू झाला, हा म्यू तुम्हाला पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटला आहे मल्टिप्लाय. ओके, सो म्यू इंटू, नीट लक्ष द्या, पी आर first term, p into this one, q into this one, and r into this term. Okay, pr into dou mu by dou y minus pq into dou mu by dou z. Okay, plus pq into dou mu by dou z minus qr into dou mu by dou x plus qr into dou mu by dou x minus pr into dou mu by dou y. Okay, now this term get cancelled, qr qr, this is pq and this one pq and this one pr into this one pr. Okay, we get cancelled, so hence we get, but what is the value of this one, which is equal to mu square into, so what is the value of this, curl of x bar into curl of x bar. Okay, from equation this. Okay, curl x bar equal to 0, h value काय येते, this one, from equation 2. Okay, plus this mu into 0, this term is. Okay, so here what is the curl x bar into curl x bar is mu square into 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. That implies mu x bar into curl mu of x bar is equal to 0. Okay, give equation since from equation 2. Okay, any doubt? Calculation करताना फक्त व्यवस्थित काळजी घ्या. Okay, so we have proved that this theorem. If x bar is the any vector such that x bar is equal to pqr and x bar, that is x bar is equal to p into I, pi plus qj plus rk, where I, j, k are the unit vectors along the respective coordinate axis, and we are given to us is x bar into curl x bar is equal to 0, and mu is the arbitrary function of x, y, z. Then mu x bar into curl of mu x bar is equal to 0. Okay. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. Then the remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the
Sir,
attendance.
who is taking next lecture?
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कोणाचं आहे, हा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नाही, 2:30 वाजता संपेल ना तुमचा. ओके, आज थर्ड लेक्चर, 3 लेक्चर आहेत ना तुमचे. ओके, टाइम टेबल बदललाय.
Okay, sir.
ओके, थँक्यू.
Thank you, sir.